Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by selecting 8 ounces of sashimi-grade tuna and refrigerate until cold. Cube it into 1/2-inch pieces for even texture. Wash and dry greens if using. Peel and dice 1 ripe avocado. Slice 1/2 cup English cucumber and thinly slice 2 scallions. Measure dressings precisely. 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, and 1 teaspoon toasted sesame oil. Toast 1 teaspoon sesame seeds in a dry pan until fragrant. Keep ingredients chilled and separate until ready to toss to maintain bright texture and flavor. Combine dressings in a small bowl and whisk to emulsify. 2 tablespoons soy sauce plus 1 tablespoon rice vinegar and 1 teaspoon toasted sesame oil. Sweeten with 1 teaspoon honey and add 1/2 teaspoon freshly grated ginger for brightness. Season with 1/4 teaspoon fine salt and adjust to taste. For a spicy kick, add 1 teaspoon chili oil or 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes. Stir until evenly distributed. Taste and balance acidity or sweetness by adding up to 1 teaspoon more rice vinegar or honey. Then chill briefly before tossing with tuna. To assemble, place cubed tuna into a bowl and pour just enough dressing to coat. Toss gently to avoid breaking pieces. Fold in diced avocado carefully so it holds shape. Choose base. Serve over 1 cup warm cooked rice for poke bowl or over 3 cups mixed greens for a salad. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon toasted sesame seeds and sliced scallions on top. Leftovers keep best chilled in an airtight container for up to 24 hours. Do not freeze raw tuna salad and always smell before consuming.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.